Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Alabi here back again with another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys an unboxing of the 350 Yeezy Boost in the black colorway. You guys, I'm so excited for this shoe. Like, I'm so happy I have them and I'm so grateful, so I can't wait to show you guys. So let's get into the video. Alright, welcome back to the video. As you can see, you have the normal 350 box, the normal one with everything, the address, everything normal on the shoe. So let's get into the shoes. You guys are speechless. I am speechless. I love them. I love them. For the shoes, you guys look at them, man. So beautiful. Like, I wish I could get this to focus properly so you guys can see the shoe well. The shoes are beautiful. Like, there's nothing pretty like supernatural. Like, there's nothing we haven't seen from any previous Yeezy Boost. But like, the only thing is that this one is black and like it comes with the stripes, the see-through stripes and all. And like, we have the transparent laces, which are already on the statics, if you guys know that. So like, that's basically all on the shoe. But like, you guys, the shoes are beautiful. Like, comparing to size from the last Yeezy Boost, like let's say the Beluga 2.0 that I have, the shoe fits true to size. To be honest, I got size 12 and like I have some space in front of mine. So like, I would say go true to size. If you are a size 12 or size 10, whatever, just go true to size. The shoes fit perfectly and they are really comfortable. Like, I don't know, maybe they even feel more comfortable than the last one, but for some reason I find this one's more comfortable. Maybe because like they have a little bit more space compared to my Beluga 2.0s, to be honest. Because like, this one's like, they like are a little bit tight on my leg and all, and I don't know why. Maybe like I should have gone a half size up. But like, this one's, they're size 12 also and they fit perfectly. So you guys, if you guys are like interested and if you're able to get your hands on one, go through to size. So like, you guys, let's talk about the drop in general. The drop was hard. Like, I did everything in my power to get more than one. Yeezy supply was a mess. Foot Locker was a mess. Adidas was a mess. There's nowhere that dropped these shoes on Friday. I mean, that made it easy to get, to be honest. Like, the shoes were so hard to get, so I feel like in the resale market they're likely going to go up. Like, not now though, because like everyone's gonna be getting their pairs in hand and basically they'll be trying to sell them, so like the prices will just be going down. Everybody tries to get as much as they can right now. But if you are like someone that wants to like make a real like boatload of cash out of these shoes, to be honest, hold it for like 6 months to 1 year and you're good. These shoes are probably gonna make like 800 or 900, almost a grand in Canadian dollars for you guys, and it's for possibly more. So like, if you are thinking about keeping these shoes, keep it. Don't sell it now, keep it. But for me, since I already got one, I'm wearing the shoes, man. I'm wearing them, guys. Like, they're so beautiful. Like, I'm looking at my Beluga 2.0s right now and like, I don't really even care about the shoes anymore. Like, these ones are the ones I want right now. I have others like the 700s. I've gotten the zebras and all that, but like, I let some of my shoes go. Like the 500s, I let all of them go and everything. But like, these ones, like, I'm definitely keeping them, like, cause they're like a grail to me. So like, yeah. So like, in general, I want to know what you guys think about the drop. Like, was the drop good for you guys? Was it bad for you guys or anything? And like, what are your opinions about the shoe? Because I just think there's nothing special to say about the shoe. Like, it's beautiful, it looks nice, it looks like the other Yeezy 350s, but like just the black colorway and transparent laces and like see-through stripe. So like, that's basically all about this shoe. So if you guys are willing to get them, they're 300 when they came out, 339 Canadian dollars, like after taxes and everything. But like, right now, possibly sold out. So if you want them, You can check StockX, you can check Grailed, you can check other websites for them. You might have to pay resale, but like at least they are around 600 plus right now. So like they are still reasonable if you want them. Honestly, if you want them, pick them up as soon as possible. So like that's. So I want you guys to tell me like if you guys are enjoying my videos, and like tell me if you like to see more content like this. For some reason my shoe videos are doing way better than my other videos. I don't know why. Maybe some of you guys love the shoe content more or something, but like I don't know. I'm going to continue bringing out content as much as I can for you guys, and I hope you guys continue watching them and love them. Also, I wanted to talk about like I wasn't able to drop a video on Friday. I'm sorry guys. I had a midterm, and also like I'm back now and I'm ready to like pump it and pump it and pump it for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Jide out.